I like to talk about the place in Guangxi, China. They have a tribe called the Miao tribe. These people believe that they have to protect the river. I've lived on one of these villages along the river. You know, the river connects all the villages. So it's amazing to see how they make the water of the river clean. So it's just, this is how the way they do it. All the river, all the waters from the household, like the toilet, the CR or the comfort room, they make a pond like a fish pond. This is where they put the toilet in the middle of the pond, and all the wastewater coming from the house, like cleaning and for all the liquid. So all the dirty water doesn't go directly to the river, so it goes to the pond that they make. So this is how the pond functions. So this is where they put the grasses, where they get the grass from the mountains, from the farmlands. They put in the pond to decay, and the water in the pond is what they use to fertilize. The women, the Miao women, used to bring like two big cans of water when they go to the fields. So they bring water to fertilize from the pond to fertilize the fields. And when the women come back from the mountains, they bring the grasses to put back into that pond. So it's really it's very sustainable. How they bring the fertilizer to the field, and how they bring the weeds that will become another source of fertilizer, to be source material to be decomposed in the pond. So this kind of process makes the whole river clean, because you know all the communities, all the villages along the river believes in this kind of protecting the river from this dirty water coming from the houses. So that's how they do. That's the technique they do to keep the dirty water, and then utilize the dirty water to fertilize the fields and utilize the maximum potential of the river. So I've experienced like people still swimming in the river and then enjoying the clear water running in the river. So I think this is very adaptable to this very applicable to all the villages which are living beside rivers. It's one way to clean and protect our very important rivers.